Light Festival Sharjah, a full free entry to this festival. It's an event in the city of Sharjah of United Arab Emirates. The festival is a part of a light festival and it shows and demonstrates the various features and light installation for multimedia shows and the landmark of cultural sites. Aim of this light feature festival to attract the people from different part of the areas to show the heritage, civilization, history in the region. It's a free of cost. There is no any entry fee. Lots of people are coming from the different part of the world, from the different part of the areas and cities to enjoy with their families, friends and couples. Different activities, a food stall during this festival, and it will be continued for 2 to 3 weeks. Depends on the government and their decisions. It's a colorful lights, displays, visual art installation, and visitor can enjoy each and everything. It shows the humanity, peace, justice, and the love in the city, which is the teach by Islam to the world to create a peace and justice in your region. It's a heritage, attract the visitors, and people are just enjoying here and see the things in terms of tourism and all. This is how it works in the region. Thanks a lot.